Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to cancel or retract your bid on eBay. Bidding on eBay can move fast, and sometimes you might place a bid by mistake, enter the wrong amount, or simply change your mind. The good news is that eBay does allow you to retract a bid, but only under certain conditions, and you have to follow the correct process. If you don't do it properly, you could still be held responsible for that bid. Start by opening eBay and logging into your account. At the top of the page, click on Help and Contact. This section contains support tools and guides. Inside the Help and Contact page, find the search bar. Type Retract, then press Enter. Look for the result that says Retracting a bid. Click on it. Before proceeding, you'll see information about bid retraction. Clarification: eBay typically allows bid retraction if you entered the wrong bid amount, the seller significantly changed the listing, and you cannot contact the seller. Take a moment to review this so you understand your eligibility. On that same page, find and click Retract a bid. This will take you to the bid retraction form. Now locate the item for which you want to cancel your bid. Select it. You'll be asked to select a reason for retracting your bid. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Clarification: this step is important. Your reason must align with eBay's allowed conditions. Click Continue. You'll now see a review page summarizing your retraction request. Check everything carefully. Finally, click Retract Bid. Your bid will now be cancelled if it meets eBay's requirements. Using eBay properly includes understanding when and how to manage your bids. To summarize, retracting a bid on eBay involves going to Help and Contact, searching for Retract, selecting the Retracting a Bid page, clicking Retract a Bid, choosing your item and reason, and confirming the request. This allows you to cancel your bid if it meets eBay's conditions. And that's how to cancel or retract your bid on eBay. It's a useful feature, but it's not something you should rely on too often. The best approach is to bid carefully and intentionally from the start. Think of each bid as a commitment, not just a test. But if you do make a mistake, now you know exactly how to fix it the right way. As you continue using eBay, being disciplined with your bids will save you from unnecessary stress and complications. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.